how to make a mega menu on your WordPress website. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to make a mega menu on your WordPress website. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your WordPress website. I have opened up my WordPress and this is the dashboard. This is the test website that I work on. So you will open up the website that you have and you will go to the dashboard. This is where you will land. What is a mega menu? We can actually manage our website better and we can create one mega menu and then have different pages and different menus divided into it, because you can see on our dashboard we have a lot of things and it's hard to manage the pages on our website. So it helps us to organize our website and to organize our dashboard. In order to create a mega menu, you will scroll down to the plugin section on your WordPress dashboard and click on Add New. So right here, we have the Add Plugin option, and in the search bar, I'm going to search for Mega Menu. So you can see we have different plugins. We have Max Mega Menu, an easy to use mega menu plugin written the WordPress way. It has more than 400,000 active installation. Then we have this one, WordPress Mega Menu Quad Menu, the best responsive mega menu designed for theme developers with customizable menu layouts. It has 20,000 active installation, and as we scroll down, we will get more and more plugins. This one is responsive menu, create mobile friendly menu, mega menu plugin for WordPress AP mega menu. So you can install any of these. You can install the max one or you can go with WordPress mega menu. I'm going to click on install now and then we will click on activate once it's installed. So here we have our plugin Quad Menu. This is the plugin name. Hello, we are Quad Layers. We will do our best, absolute best to support you. So here we will be creating a mega menu and let's get into it. First of all, you will get the plugin here and we have welcome, menus, system, suggestions, premium, and options. So we need to go to the menus right here where we will be able to see all the menus that we have on our websites or the menu that we have created. So you can see we are getting this option now, edit menus and manage location. So this is where I will be editing my menu structure. You can see all of the pages of my website are mentioned here. Of course, the pages you have on your website, you will be able to see them here. So we will first create a mega menu and add all of the pages to it so that I don't have like a list of pages on my website. It does not look that good. We have a menu structure. First of all, give your menu a name. I'm going to call it a test menu. So I'm just going to call it test. Drag the items into the order you prefer, clicking the arrow on the right of the item to reveal additional configuration options. We have our primary menu, then we have pages. Click on pages right here. It will show you the pages of your website. We have post. It will show you all of the posts right here. So these are all the menus that we have, right? First of all, I'm going to manage the pages of my website. This is what I want to add to a mega menu. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add to menu with this option given. And it will add my pages to this menu right here, which is a test menu. Moving on, I can add post or donation forms. So I'm going to add post as well. Then we have donation forms. For post, again, add to menu. It will be added here. FAQs, custom links, categories. Let's add categories to this menu as well. We can create more than one mega menu if we want, rather than just creating one and adding everything to that. Once you add all of the different, pages and you have added different, pages and you have added different menus, you can also bulk select. The option is given here. Then we have menu settings. Automatically add new top level pages to this menu, header or primary, display location. So the display location is going to be the primary menu that we have on our website on our main dashboard. Click on Save Menu and your new menu will be created and it will have all of the different menus that I had here. It will include all of them. So we have created a menu now, and now I can simply open up my plugin, and what I will do is I will customize it. So our plugin is right here, and in plugin I'm going to go to the options. All right, so we have some of the options here. First of all, we can create a theme for our website to actually add a menu. Then we have the option of header and primary. You can see viewport. Include the viewport meta tag in the site head, on or off. Then we have style sheets, normalize, widgets, perfect scroll bar, and on cursor. So then we have icons. Click on save. All of these settings will be saved, the options that we're getting with quad menu. Now, if I go to my website and if I show you the website that I have here, and once I publish it, I will be able to see that I have a mega menu now, which includes all of the pages that I just added. It's a little, complicated thing, and I hope that you're understanding. It's actually really easy. It sounds complicated, but it's actually really easy. You just add the plugin, then you can go to the systems or you can go to the options. First, create a menu, and then you can adjust that menu according to a plugin. Once we add a plugin on our WordPress website, we also get it on our website. So if I go to my website right here and click on customize, it will show me the option of creating a mega menu or showing my mega menu. And this is how I can show a mega menu on my website. This way I will be able to manage my website better. I will be able to get more options, and I will be able to organize my WordPress website better. Similarly, we have the option of suggestions right here. If you go to the suggestions, it will quad menu will actually show you some of these suggestions to add to your website, different plugins. For example, a chat app, then we have Telegram, social feed, gallery, then we have perfect brands for WooCommerce. If you have a WooCommerce on your WordPress, then you have more options and you get more plugins to actually manage your WooCommerce. With the options right here, if I take you back to the options, we have the reset sections, reset all. So if you want to change all of the settings that you have done, and if you want to reset, you can click on reset. Then we have responsive. In responsive, we have gutter, screen small, screen medium, screen large. This is all about the display. Default theme, this will show me how my website will look like, my main mega menu. You can see the theme is default. This is what the menu looks like. This is what the alignment is going to be. The menu, the breakpoint is going to be this right here: lazy load, open, divider, caret. You can of course adjust the sizes and all the measurements according to you. Then we have custom theme 1, where we have sticky, mobile, and drop down. So of course we have to create a mega menu which is mobile friendly, because if our website is not mobile friendly, we cannot actually, do anything about it. We don't get more traffic. So nowadays, if your website is more mobile friendly, then you get more views, and that's our main focus, to make our website user friendly and to make our website aesthetically pleasing and to create a mega menu. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.